for some wheels? I'm Johnny on the spot. I'll hook you up.
Hold on, is that Racky?
You guys get it? Supra Saiyan. That is the official name of the build for the A90 Supra. And I decided, me being a big Vegeta fan, Vegeta, that's where the whole name came from. But we're gonna name this car Bulma. And that's gonna be the Super Saiyan build, the A90 project. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this car in right now because I look fucking weird as hell wearing a Saiyan armor out in the middle of my neighborhood. And honestly, this took a lot of takes to get this done. So I'm gonna pull this thing in. That might be too close to you guys, but close this thing in. We went ahead and used, oh shit, the tripod today because I was trying to get that done. And now I'm looking super weird. So I'd rather go in the comfort of my own garage. What's up everybody, welcome back to another vlog. We started that one off a little bit weird, and honestly that probably took 30 minutes because I took a shot for YouTube, took a shot for TikTok as well. And there were so many cars passing by wondering what the hell I was doing. So it took me a long time to get that done, and hopefully I got the right shot. But today is gonna be something real quick. I just wanted to make that quick intro, but we're gonna be installing these Goldenwrench items, these black line items. We have the coolant expansion tank cap, we got the heat exchanger coolant tank cap, and we got the billet oil cap. And these things look crazy insane. But there was this special edition DRVNMIND one that came in this cool gray. I think it's the same gray as the, I forgot what the gray color for the Supra was, but I got number 70 out of 100. Thank you so much, Mario, for hooking it up and saving me one. I actually bought these before I even got the Supra. On top of that, Mario also hooked it up with the fuel cap, which I think is gonna be crazy. But what I need to do first before I install these is I need to take this off. Look at this. The shit I do for YouTube, man. And I only got like 500 people watching this shit. But it is what it is, boys. We're gonna take this off because it's fucking hot as hell. Shit, it's hot. I hope I got the shot because that was a lot of freaking work. Man, I can't believe that I actually wore that Saiyan armor outside for like 40 minutes while I was trying to get that one quick clip. But comment below if you guys think one time I should wear the Saiyan armor while I'm doing a car install part on the A90 Supra, because it is Project Supra Saiyan. But if I get enough yeses below, and it won't be an easy install. We'll make it one of the hard ones, like a downpipe or a front lip where I have to get underneath the car and we wear that costume the whole time. But let me know what you guys think. But what we have here, we're gonna go ahead and pop the hood and pop the fuel cap so that we can get these quickly installed. I'm blue, if I was green, I would die. If I was green, I would die. Ah, shit, that was the trunk. There you go. And guys, I detailed the car, but I still never detailed the front plate where they left all that gunk. We have the oil cap, the tank caps, and the fuel cap. I'm gonna close garage so there's less sun, because we got some pretty good garage. Oh my gosh, garage lighting in here. Sheesh. Slowly but surely, guys, I am building my dream garage. This is my dream man cave, but where there's gonna be so much more to this. Still a work in progress, but let's get to this install. So we're gonna go ahead and do the fuel cap first, since that's pretty easy. And then we'll do all three in the engine bay at the same time. But what we will be installing first is the black line fuel cap, and this is billet. And again, love this color. Let's put it on before. Just like that. Damn, that's gonna look good. And once we delete all the red and black, everything out, this car is gonna look so sick, guys. So this part, I probably have to fast forward through this because sometimes the 3M, like the tape, is hard to pull off. Boom. That didn't take too long. Make sure you guys get in the position you want the first time, because once you stick it on, I bet it's gonna be really hard to get off. So we're gonna position the way we want it. It's pretty warm in the garage too. Test it out. Works. Ooh, what do you guys think about that? Let's check if it closes. What the? Side. Oh! 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 Why is it closing? Oh, that was weird. All right, guys, and what we have next is we have the Black Line oil caps and tank caps. These caps actually don't come with the 3M already on them, but they do come with the package. So if you guys see that if you purchased one, you see that there wasn't any tape in the back, make sure you check the box. We have the tape on. Let's see how I want to position this. We want it like that. So I got the tape positioned. All right, finally got that sucker removed. So go ahead, we're gonna line it up how I want it. There you go. There it is, guys. That thing looks clean. We got the first cap on, and we'll just do the other tank cap too, and then get to the oil cap last. All right, guys, and what we got next is the next tank cap, coolant, and you're gonna do the same thing. It's gonna come with the 3M pieces for you guys to put in there. You position how you want it. And press down. Guys, look how good that bay looks already. Imagine that blacked outer carbon, but you get all these silver goodies. Looks so good. And then for the last piece, we got the oil cap. Next, we have the DRVNMIND oil billet cap. Look how sick this thing looks. Oh, stay driven. That is definitely one of a kind. I'm so excited to get this on my car. So happy with this color and how I was able to get this limited edition 1 out of 100 caps made. But we're gonna need to change out that engine cover soon so that thing can pop more. Once we get new charge pipes, new intakes, oh, this bay is gonna look super sick. The goal one day is to do like a rotated big single turbo. That would be goals, but we'll see where we go. And that's all I got for you guys today. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I know these installs are super quick and super boring, and I can't wait to get to do fun stuff like getting a lip or some power mods on this thing, but everything is back ordered. I wish I could have got those. You know, I usually do a little bit of power first, get the intake, get the downpipe on before I touch most of the aesthetics, like the little, I mean, I'll do coilovers and lips and front lips, but usually like the oil caps and all stuff like that, I usually wait for those small pieces inside the engine bay until I get the performance parts done. But with the economy that we have now and waiting for all the shipment delays and manufacturer delays, I am forced to do this stuff first while I wait for my stuff to come in. But once those come in, I'm excited to show you guys what we do with this build. Thank you again. Please comment, hit the thumbs up button, and I appreciate you guys watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.